Hello there, welcome back. So customer states that their temperature gauge stay hot at all time. So I'm going to show you how to reset that gauge. But first you have to remove this cover. There's some clips that hold it in place. These clips. Just have to pry it off with a screwdriver or a pick tool. So you have to remove the lower this piece, also the lower panel, this piece. So you can get it off. You're gonna remove 3 of these Phillips head screw or star pine screw, star pine screwdriver, and after remove it, you're gonna take off the cover, this glass piece. Just use some clips. You're gonna press down on the clip and pull it off. Take your time, don't break it. So I'm gonna show you what's going on with this gauge now. So if I even switch the key on, so stay all the way up there, crank the vehicle. So I'm going to show you how to reset it, guys. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just take off this piece, take your time and pull it off, and you're gonna go like this, get a bit lower than C, and push it on and crank the vehicle. So as you can see, it goes all the way up there. So you're gonna take it off now after you crank the vehicle. Take it off. Cut the motor off. Crank it again. So you can see we go to the, it's really cold now, so it's not going to go all the way up, but I can see it's working. Cut it off, go down, and there you go. So that's how you reset the gauge, guys. Simple and easy. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.